Liliit pa ba ang tiyan ko kung ako ay napakagutumin? Nako, na-experience ko yan nung ako ay na-CS and I was breastfeeding. Nako, maya-maya, in a day, 7 hanggang 8 times akong kumakain. Pero ito good news, in 3 months, I lost 10 inches off my waistline without exercise kasi bawal dahil na-CS and I was purely breastfeeding. So ito yung nalaman ko. Number one, may mga pagkain pala na nakakabilis ng metabolism. So kahit na every 3 to 4 hours mo siyang kinakain, mas lalo siyang nakakabuti sa'yo at nakaka-reshape ng iyong katawan. So anong naging sources ko nito? Protein shakes kasi complete balanced nutrition, high in protein siya, so lalo akong nag-firm up, bumibilis yung aking metabolism, and I was eating protein every single meal. Number two, umiinom ako ng fat burner tea and I was hydrating myself with enough na 3 to 4 liters of water a day. Kasi pala, if well hydrated tayo, hindi lang ito nakakaalis ng cravings, hindi lang ito nakakaliit ng puson at nakakatanggal ng cellulites, it will also help me boost my metabolism. So ito yung mga pagkain na example lang that will help you boost metabolism, reshape your shape kahit nagutumin ka, and ito ang good news, nakakatulong din siya to curb hunger. Are you looking for a wellness coach that will guide you step by step? Let's chat for free consultation.